So we're going to have a look now at how to draw a frequency table, okay? So let's say you took a survey asking what kind of pet people have, and here's what's called the raw data. So this is just, you know, if you walked around your class and just wrote down what everyone said when you asked them a question, that's what you get. So it's all in a jumble. It's going dog, cat, dog, hamster, parrot, you know, it's all in a big, a bit of a mess, okay? And we can use a frequency table to kind of tidy that up, okay? So you would always use a ruler when you're drawing graphs and charts. I'm just going to use the straight line drawing tool, okay? And I want to have 3 columns in my chart, okay? You might also see a frequency table called a tally chart, okay? So I'm going to have, why is it not going? Give me a second. There we go. I'm going to have my type of pet, okay? I'm going to tally up my scores, or my numbers of pets, and then write down the frequency. Okay, so what kind of pets have we got? We've got dog, cat, hamster, and parrot. Okay, and I'm just going to read along, and I'm going to put a tally mark by each one as it comes up. So dog is the first one, and then cat, just reading along that right line from left to right. So it's going dog, cat, dog, dog, and then hamster, then parrot. Back to hamster, onto the next line now, and dog, dog. And when I get to 5, remember I do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then strike across so I can count up in 5s. Okay. So now I've got 2 more cats, cat, cat, and then another dog. And that's the second line done. For the last line, I've got dog, hamster, cat, cat, dog, and another hamster. Okay? So I can, because I've kind of blocked off my 5s, I can count that really easily. So that's 5 add 3 makes 8. Cat is 5, hamster is 4. And parrot is 1. And normally you will also have a gap at the bottom to write the total. So 8 add 5, that's 13, okay? Add on 4, that's 17, only 1 parrot, 18. Now a good thing to check, right? See this table, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like things in each row, times 3 rows. So I've got 6 times 3, that's 18, and that matches up with my total there. Okay, let's write it down. Okay, it's really easy to lose track of what you're counting here. Okay, really, really easy. So just make sure that the number of words here, okay, all in a mix, matches up with your total. Okay, so that's your frequency table. Okay. And we can give it a little title, I suppose. It's not essential, I don't think, for a frequency table to have a title, but it's, you know, with all your graphs and charts, it's better to err on the side of caution. Okay, so let's call it what kind of pet. Okay, so what kind of pet do most people have? The number one here is a dog. What kind of pet do least people have? That is a parrot here. How many more people have a cat than a hamster? Well, there's 5 people with a cat and 4 with a hamster. The difference is 1. Okay, 1 more person. It's quite a lot of hamsters. Okay, so that's how you draw a frequency table. Very simple. Just need to remember, group your tallies in 5s. Okay, and do that double check at the end to make sure you've got the right number of entries.